Well, here we are in the midst of the coronavirus, COVID-19 especial. In my home, we have been pretty much in quarantine since March 17th, and it is April 11th. So, I mean, obviously I'm outside. We're still, going outside and all that stuff, but haven't made a video in a while. Haven't really felt like it. Been doing a lot of work on the car, as you can tell. Yeah, we're painting it, or we're gonna try anyway. I am not a painter. I'm not a bodywork guy. I'm not a lot of things, but I'm gonna give it my best shot. We'll go over and show you the progress of where we are with the driver's side rear quarter panel, where I smacked the wall a little bit there, and I'd have most of the clear coat at least buzzed off. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna keep going. I'll show you where we're at so far though. We'll see how far we get in the video today. Not perfect, but not bad. We're still gonna work on it. We got, this spot here. Gonna continue to fill in. Still need to work on trying to level all that out. Not sure what I'm gonna do down here. Try to preserve this body line here, but I'm not sure. And this is all still working on all this here. A little bit more filler work to be done. One thing's for sure, I need to try and figure out how to restore this body line all the way. I don't know if I'll be able to, but I'm gonna try. I mean, this is my first real, big Bondo job. I did a little patch over on the other side, but aside from this, I've never really done anything with Bondo. Whatever. It sure will be nice, though, to have a decent paint job on this car, because all of this cheap. Oh. I just noticed that someone keyed my car. Or maybe it was already like that. Never seen that before. OSH. M. Interesting. Mosh pit. I don't know. I don't care. All this crap. Make it all one color. Probably green still. Maybe I'll do like the original paint job scheme. Don't know. Okay, well, we're in my backyard because my neighbors are making a bunch of noise and I wanted to kind of do a little update. So I got the car all wet sanded, well, not wet sanded, I got it sanded, sprayed it down, and I got a lot of little dents and things that I need to fix with Bondo, and then I'll figure out what color I'm going to paint it. I guess I need to finish up that driver's side quarter panel. Looks okay. I'm kind of feeling like a bit of a perfectionist on it, even though a lot of people are like, dude, that car's a POS, it's a shitbox, don't waste time and money on it. But it's my car, it's a special car, there's a lot of history with it, and I'm gonna do whatever the hell I want with it. And if that means I want to, you know, make it look nice and pretty, so be it. But anyway, this video will probably continue on sometime, but for now, that's all I'm going to work on today. Alright folks, I suck at filming recently. I'm here in my backyard. I've been spending a lot of time working on the drift car, and I did body work from when I wrecked it, and I, you know, sanded it all down, and it's ready for paint. Real quick walk around. Ignore that. Don't pay any attention to any of that right there, or the John Deere green right there. No. So, I mean, the body work's not perfect, and at this point, I'm done trying to, you know, make it perfect. But it's as close as it's ever going to be to matching this side over here. So you can see where the original, oh, there's a little spider right there. See, that's why it's tarped this thing. Where the original paint job was, you know, all that orange. Anyway, tomorrow when I actually try to paint this dumb thing, maybe I'll film it. I don't know. I haven't really been filming a whole lot of the car. You know, obviously my appearance has changed since you guys saw the other clip. But yeah, it's been like 2 months. Quarantine, whatever. Next, we're probably going to paint the Mustang, because it needs it. Depends on how the green car comes out. We'll go from there though. Maybe we'll see you guys here in the next clip. Enjoy. Alright, well, we've done some painting on the car, and right now it's just kind of baking, but I'll go on ahead and show you what it looks like. Now, keep in mind that I'm not a professional paint and bodywork person, and honestly, I rattle canned the car because I don't have the equipment, you know, to do a proper paint job yet. But I'm planning eventually someday on getting, you know, a big 20-gallon, 30-gallon compressor and a paint gun, and actually doing a proper paint job. But I'm working with what I've got, so we'll take a look. Alright. Now, I haven't finished the rear bumper, and I need to go over, you know, the hatch and stuff again. And I am gonna, you know, buff it to get all that streakiness out. So I'm gonna try and make it look nice. Got some little bit of runnage right there. A little bit of runnage right there. And, you know, obviously the body work that I did, I mean, I guess it looks just okay. Not great, but better than having a giant dent, I suppose. Still need to finish up a little bit more there. I'm probably gonna redo this quarter panel, but anyway. There you go. Now when the car is finished, I'll do another walk around of it. I still need to paint the roof, which probably gonna do like a gunmetal gray or some kind of charcoal color or something that would go good with the blue color. So yeah, we'll keep going.